So I'm here this morning on the Kamandi Divide in KD 22C, where Forestry Tasmania has been devastating yet more swift parrot habitat. So we've had bioacoustic recorders here as part of our citizen science surveys, where we've been recording swift parrots in this coop just meters away from where this corridor of devastation extends. The logging of this area is directly contributing to the extinction of the swift parrot. There are only a few hundred birds left in the wild. They're coming down to Tasmania now to breed and feed, and this is what they come to. Logs that were once forests, habitat trees that no longer exist. Today, there is silence in this forest. We have a defender attached to the gate at the main entrance that is sitting in defiance, stopping any movement of machinery coming into this wild area.
It broke my heart. I heard that the parrots were literally circling around the machines looking for somewhere to nest, and it broke my heart. So I'm here standing up for the forests and standing up for the parrots. Save the Swifties.
Now with the video.
Walking in to the end of a road that ends in an incredible rainforest understory, and seeing Machine, a 30-ton excavator, just pushing sassafras and myrtle and incredible ancient old trees to the ground that are going to get chipped, is horrifying. This is absolute sacrilege, what is being allowed to happen here in Tasmania in 2023. This needs to stop immediately. We can't continue doing this. We need an end to native forest logging now, and we need to end native forest logging in Australia.